bullshit. Think I'm selfish? I ain't selfish. I'm gonna show you I ain't selfish. Benefit show. Save the warehouse. Perfect way to show somebody you're not selfish. Not bad. Not bad.
Thanks, sir. We're getting ready for
With that being said, got a couple of thoughts.
I thought we were pretty good.
Yeah, well, pretty good is good. I can make it great. Got a singer?
Well, actually, I've been hoping to take in...
Nope, absolutely not.
Well, like y'all got yourselves a new front man.
Wow, wicked cool, man.
Yeah.
Hold up. Can you sing?
Does that answer your question?
All right, pal.
You're in.
Woo! Y'all made the right decision today. Just want all y'all to know that. Y'all try to save the warehouse, huh?
Yeah, they're trying to tear it down to build a hospital. A hospital!
Damn! It's the corporate greed, man.
Yeah, they claim the warehouse is only used for cooking crack, but we know better. It's where we spent the summer of our lives.
It's also where I first got tetanus.
Well, I want y'all to listen good. Listen real good. Okay? We gonna stay at that warehouse.
All right.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's gonna be so selfless.
All right, guys, let's get out of here. We still need to warm up.
Yeah, y'all get on out of here. Go warm up. Get pumped. Make sure you do some extra push-ups before I...
Oh, jeez. I'm shitting bricks.
All right, guys, come on. We're on next.
Stop right there!
Teresa?
This show must not go on. I'm the inspector, and this building isn't fit to hold all of these people.
This is a pretty gnarly house.
Bet you didn't expect to see me here, Teresa. Donating all my time. Money? I mean, expertise. Yeah. Been very essential in trying to help these kids. Save their beloved warehouse.
Save the warehouse? That warehouse has been responsible for dozens of deaths and 3 cases of the bubonic plague. I'm shutting this down.
actually, according to Building Code Article 69, Section 22, Clause B, 12 is the base maximum of any building occupancy, even of a broom closet. And we've undershot that by far.
God, spoiled again!
Eat my shorts. Get her, gang.
Yeah, let's do it again.
Should've tried to string me along. Gag me with a spoon.
Cindy, I want you to know I've always loved you.
I know, but I'm not really sure about this though. I think that I like you as more of